Hello Professor. In this video I am going to demonstrate about GitHub Copilot. This is part of week 1 assignment of data mining. So coming to the GitHub Copilot, GitHub Copilot gives you code suggestion according to the context. When a detailed comment or function name is provided, the code suggestions will start popping up. Then you can either accept the suggestion that is being popped up, or you can ignore that suggestion and code on your own. And currently GitHub Copilot is available in Visual Studio Code IDE as an extension called GitHub Copilot, which is being displayed in the current screen. And now I'll be explaining the process that is involved in making GitHub Copilot work as expected. So the first thing is we have to make sure that Visual Studio Code IDE is installed in our system. So this screen is the screen that is displayed is Visual Studio Code IDE, and the first step is done from my end. And as an extra thing, I have make sure that Python, the latest Python is installed in my system locally. This is just because since we extensively use Python for coding, I made sure that Python is installed. So and Python 3.9 is installed in my system. If you can see in this terminal, I have used this command, and this is returned as an output. So Python 3.9 is installed. So the second step is also done from my side. Then we have to install an extension, GitHub Copilot. So before installing this GitHub Copilot extension, we have to make sure that GitHub Copilot is enabled in our GitHub account. So I have this GitHub account. This is my GitHub account. I have already logged in. So in billing and plans, scroll down, and in the add-ons, if you can see here, you are eligible to use the GitHub Copilot for free. So I am eligible to use this. So this is prerequisite before installing. So my prerequisite is satisfied. Then I am coming back to Visual Studio IDE. My GitHub Copilot is installed, and then we have to make sure that you have integrated your Visual Studio IDE with your GitHub account. So I've already signed in my GitHub account. So this is also done. Once this GitHub Copilot extension is installed, at the bottom of this screen, this symbol will appear. This symbol is GitHub Copilot. See, it is currently activated, so hence it is asking if you want to deactivate Copilot. So this is a symbol for GitHub Copilot. If you can just activate and deactivate GitHub Copilot. So yeah, this is about the setup part. Now I'll explain what wonders we can do using this GitHub Copilot on Visual Studio Code. So I have created a folder called AutoML, and in this I have created a Python file. So how it will work is, as I mentioned earlier, when a proper comment or any function is written, it will show you the suggestions. So this is a test Python file, and I have I have commented like this: program 2 and it is asking, it is showing few suggestions. So if I want to go with those, accept that suggestion, we can click this tab. So when you click this tab, the suggestion will be accepted. So, and after that it is showing the one more suggestion like A. So the program I'm going to write is program to check the data type of input values. So whatever the input we have given for the data type, it will print respect to data type. So A. So if I want to accept A equals to 5, I click tab, then click enter. So then it is suggesting one more line of code, which is to print that type of A. So I am printing it again. Likewise, I have entered B. B equals to, it is showing 2.0. It is some other data type. So if I want to accept this, I click tab, then click enter, then print type of B. Likewise C, print type C. So, and then D, hello, print type D. E, print type E. Likewise, it is showing suggestions every line by line. You can either accept that suggestions, like see, it has shown F tab. You can, after accepting the suggestion, you can also change this. So I have written 12 lines of code using the suggestions. Now I am going to run this just to make sure that the outputs are displaying correctly. Run without debugging. So if you can see, A is integer, B is float, C is complex, D is string, and the next one is tuple. So likewise, it will work. It is an AutoML, and we can keep on coding with the suggestions that are popped up. And uh, I have this is a test file, and I have created a file called copilot.python. In this, I have created like half a dozen of programs. Like the first program, program to check if the email is valid or not, and program to sort the numbers in the list, and programs to check the strength of the password. like with some examples, some basic programs I have coded using this GitHub Copilot AutoML code suggestions. And this is one more program, like program to check if the year is leap year or not. And the next one is program to check if the number is positive or zero. And likewise a simple calculator program. So yeah, and program to find the largest number among the three input numbers, and program to check the data type of input values, etc. So yeah, these I have written like some 90 lines of code with different programs. And in addition to this, I have also I have also created a HTML file, and coded using the suggestions that were popped up with AutoML. So this is a basic code I have written for HTML, and now I am going to run this as well. So run without debugging. It is running now. So yeah, uh, when it is run, uh, this is how it will work. So I have coded using Python and HTML. Likewise, we can create any JSON files and Java files as well. So yeah, that's how GitHub Copilot with AutoML work. Thank you.